kids, this is your mentor Neetu. We are doing chapter 6, the triangle and its properties. Now introduction part. We use the prefix tri with many words in our day-to-day life like tricycle, tri-series. Tricycle means a cycle with 3 wheels. Tri-series in cricket or any other sports is a series played by 3 countries or 3 teams. Similarly, triangle means with the 3 angles and 3 sides and 3 vertices. So see, the first one is angle. There are 3 angles of a triangle. In the triangle ABC given below, angle A और angle B और angle C, और इसको हम कैसे नेमिंग कर सकते हैं? BAC, ABC and ACB. Like here, A को हम BAC and CAB भी कह सकते हैं. एंगल B को हम ABC और CBA and एंगल C को हम BCA और ACB. Right? Now side. There are 3 sides of a triangle. Triangle में how many sides? 3 sides. Like here AB, BC and AC. Okay? Now vertex. There are 3 vertices, means 3 corners, 3 points. Like A, B and C. There are 3 vertices. Okay? So the 3 sides and 3 angles of a triangle are together called the 6 parts or elements of a triangle. Now some points you have to keep in mind. The symbol used for denoting a triangle is triangle symbol, small triangle, and vertices is the plural of vertex. Okay. Here the side opposite to vertex A के अगर हम opposite side की बात करते हैं, that is BC. ऐसे ही B के opposite side क्या है? AC. ऐसे ही C के opposite side क्या है? That is AB. Okay. Now types of triangle according to sides. Up we have 3 types according to sides. Means the first one is isosceles triangle. An isosceles triangle has 2 sides equal. अगर किसी triangle की 2 sides equal होंगी तो वो क्या बन जाएगी आपकी isosceles triangle. Okay. The second one is equilateral triangle. If all the sides are equal in a triangle, that is an equilateral triangle. And the third one is scalene. When all the sides are different, that is a scalene triangle. Okay, 3 types: isosceles, equilateral, scalene. Isosceles means 2 sides equal, equilateral means 3 sides equal, and scalene means no side equal. Okay. Now according to angles, अब हम naming करते हैं angles के according. The first one is acute angle triangle. When all the angles are acute, means less than 90 degree, that is an acute angle triangle. The second one is obtuse angle triangle. When one angle is obtuse, एक ही obtuse होगा, उससे ज़्यादा possible नहीं है. Okay. So when one angle is obtuse, means more than 90 degree, this is an obtuse angle triangle. Then the third is right angle triangle. When one angle is 90 degree, तो उसको हम बोलेंगे right angle triangle. Okay. Now इंटीरियर एंड एक्सटीरियर ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल. ऐसे ही हम बात करते हैं ट्रायंगल के इंटीरियर की यानी अंदर की, और एक्सटीरियर मीन्स बाहर की, और बाउंड्री. ओके. So let us consider triangle ABC. We see that all points in the plane of triangle ABC are divided into following 3 parts. The first one, the points which lie inside the region enclosed by triangle ABC. जो अंदर का रीजन है, अंदर का एरिया है, उसमें जो पॉइंट्स होंगे, ओके, इंटीरियर. एंड द सेकेंड इज द पॉइंट्स विच लाई ऑन द साइड्स BC, CA एंड AB ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC, जो पॉइंट साइड्स पे लाई करेंगे. ओके. एंड द थर्ड वन, द पॉइंट्स विच लाई आउटसाइड द रीजन एनक्लोज्ड बाय ट्राइंगल ABC. So now we define the following: interior of triangle, the part made up by all such points inside the region which are enclosed by triangle ABC is called the interior of triangle ABC. For example, X and J, these are the interior points. Okay, boundary of triangle. A triangle ABC is the boundary of its interior. Points R, S, T are on the boundary of the triangle ABC. Now the next is exterior of the triangle. Exterior means the part made up by all such points which are not enclosed by triangle ABC is called the exterior of triangle ABC. For example, point Y, P, Q are in the exterior of the triangle. Now we are talking about triangular region. The interior of triangle ABC together with the boundary is called the triangular region. जब हम interior और boundary को इकट्ठा ले लेंगे तो वो क्या बन जाएगा हमारा triangular region. Okay, here X and J are in the interior, R, S, T are on the boundary and Y, Q, P are the exterior of triangle ABC. Now medians of a triangle. Median, very important. A line segment joining midpoint of a side to its opposite vertex is called the median. अब ट्रायंगल में अगर हमने एक साइड का मिड पॉइंट, सपोज आई हैव टेकन BC साइड, इसका मिड पॉइंट D एज्यूम कर लिया, राइट? D और A को ज्वाइन कर दिया. सो व्हाट इज AD? AD इज द मीडियन. Similarly, E is the midpoint of AC. B और E को join किया, so BE is the median. Similarly, F is the midpoint of AB. F और C को join किया, CF is the median. So how many medians we can draw? We can draw 3 medians in a triangle, right? So AD, BE and CF are the medians of triangle ABC. Now come to next, altitude of a triangle. Altitude means perpendicular. If we draw a perpendicular from one vertex to its opposite side, ऐसे ही अगर हम एक vertex से opposite side पे perpendicular draw करते हैं, it becomes an altitude. Okay. Altitude of a triangle is also considered as height of a triangle, and in a triangle we can draw 3 altitudes. जैसे हम 3 medians draw कर सकते हैं triangle में, ऐसे ही हम 3 altitudes draw कर सकते हैं triangle में from 3 vertices. Okay, so like in this figure you can see AD is the altitude of the triangle. अब second figure में you can see here it is an obtuse triangle. ABC जो है obtuse triangle है, तो इसका अल्टीट्यूड क्या आएगा? बाहर आ जाएगा. हमने BC को प्रोड्यूस कर दिया, सो AD इज द अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. ओके, एंड हियर ABC इज अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो इट इज गिवन हाउ विल यू ड्रॉ अल्टीट्यूड फ्रॉम A to BC ऑफ एन ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल. एक ऑब्ट्यूज एंगल ट्रायंगल में आप अल्टीट्यूड कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे? वी विल प्रोड्यूस CB to P and then draw AD perpendicular to CP. हमने BC को प्रोड्यूस कर दिया एक पॉइंट तक और फिर हमने AD उस पर ड्रॉ कर दिया अल्टीट्यूड. ओके, सो एन अल्टीट्यूड ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल कैन लाई आउटसाइड ऑफ द ट्रायंगल ऑल्सो. सो किसी भी ट्रायंगल का अगर वो ऑब्ट्यूज ट्रायंगल है तो उसका अल्टीट्यूड क्या आएगा? बाहर आएगा. सो देयर आर सम पॉइंट्स यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. The intersection point of 3 medians of a triangle is called as centroid. जहाँ पे medians मिलेंगे, that point is the centroid. Okay, and the intersection point of 3 altitudes of a triangle is called as orthocenter. जहाँ पे 3 altitudes meet करेंगे, that point is said to be orthocenter. Okay. Now example 1. Can you think of a triangle in which 2 altitudes of the triangle are 2 of its sides? So yes, in a right angle triangle क्या होता है? You know right angle triangle, when one angle is 90 degree, these 2 sides are forming 90 degree. It means they are altitude of this triangle. So yes, in a right angle triangle, 2 altitudes are 2 of its sides. AB is altitude to BC and BC is altitude to side AB, like you can see in this AB and BC, these two are altitudes. Okay, so now example 2, can the altitude and median be same for a triangle? Yes, for an equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle altitudes and medians can be same. अगर हम बात करते हैं isosceles triangle की और equilateral triangle की, उसमें altitude and medians they can be same. In an isosceles triangle, altitude drawn on the unequal side from the opposite vertex is also its median. Because कोई भी अगर आप isosceles triangle लेते हैं, उसका जो altitude है वो क्या करेगा, बाइसेक्ट कर देगा अपोजिट साइड को, सो इट बिकम्स अ मीडियन, राइट. एंड इन एन इक्विलेटरल ट्रायंगल ऑल द अल्टीट्यूड्स आर मीडियंस. सिमिलरली इक्विलेटरल में भी क्या हो जाएंगे, जितने भी अल्टीट्यूड्स होंगे वो मीडियंस बन जाएंगे. नाउ एग्जाम्पल 3, इन ट्रायंगल PQR D is the midpoint of QR. What is given here? D is this point is the midpoint of QR. Here PM is, what is PM? PM is making 90 degrees, so PM is altitude. And B part PD, what is PD? Because D is the midpoint, so PD is the median. Okay. The C part is QM equal to MR. QM और MR equal हैं? No. You can see QM is smaller than MR because M is not the midpoint, so no, right. Now the next is QD equal to DR? Yes, because D is the midpoint of QR, so these two parts QD and DR both are same. Okay, so yes. Now exercise 6.1, question number 1, filling the blanks. A triangle has dash elements, 6 elements. Like C part, side opposite to angle A of a triangle ABC is BC. D part, in a triangle we have dash medians, how many? 3 medians. So like this we can do remaining parts. Now third question, name the following triangles. A part, AB is 4, BC is 5, CA is 3, all are different. So which triangle is this? This is scalene triangle. ऐसे आप D पार्ट देखो, A 60 है, एंगल A 60 है, एंगल B 30 है, एंगल C 90 डिग्री है. सो दिस इज राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल. सो लाइक दिस यू कैन नेम. नाउ द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन, नेम द पॉइंट्स इन द इंटीरियर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC. तो इंटीरियर में पॉइंट कौन से हैं? T एंड Q. इन द एक्सटीरियर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ABC, एक्सटीरियर में कौन से हैं? U एंड P. And on the triangle RV. So like this you can try remaining questions. Now we are coming to angle sum property of a triangle. Now we will try to find sum of 3 angles of a triangle using the following activity. So what to do? Draw a triangle ABC, color its angle as shown and make a trace copy of it. हमने एक triangle ले लिया, उसके हमने angles को ऐसे कलर कर दिया, रेड, येलो, ग्रीन. ओके, नाउ कट द 3 एंगल्स फ्रॉम इट्स ट्रेस कॉपी एज शोन. हमने ट्रेस कॉपी ली, उसमें से एंगल्स को कट किया. नाउ व्हाट टू डू? प्लेस देम एज शोन बाय टचिंग देयर आर्म्स. नाउ वी कैन प्लेस द एंगल्स like this. So what we are getting? These 3 angles now constitute one angle which is a straight angle and so has measure 180 degree. So we conclude that sum of 3 angles of a triangle is 180 degree. ये बन गए straight angle on a line. So their sum is 180 degree. Now the next is exterior angle property. So what is the activity? Let us perform the following activity. Draw a triangle ABC and produce BC to D. हमने ABC draw की और BC को produce कर दिया D तक. Now make a trace copy of ABC and cut off एंगल B and A as shown. हमने B और A को कट कर दिया. Now arrange the cut out of B and A as shown. हमने अरेंज किया कटआउट्स को. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, वी आर गेटिंग A और B जो है उसका सम किसके इक्वल है, ACD के. इट मीन्स एक्सटीरियर एंगल जो है ये बाहर, इसका सम किसके इक्वल है, A और B के. सो we know that A and B are interior opposite angles to exterior angle ACD. So we observe that the exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its two interior opposite angle. Always keep in mind, exterior angle, this angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So ACD equals to A plus B. Now next is justification of exterior angle property. हम इसको justify कैसे कर सकते हैं. Let's see, given a triangle ABC and side BC is produced so that ACD is an exterior angle. हमने ACD एक exterior angle ले लिया. Now to prove angle ACD equals to angle A plus angle B. अब हमें show करना है how. Now construction through C, draw CE parallel to BA. हमने क्या किया, एक line CE parallel ले ली AB के. Okay, now you can see here we are marking angles X and Y. You can see 1 and X, these are equal because these lines are parallel. This is transversal. 1 and X are alternate angles. So 1 equals to X. Similarly, you can see 2 and Y are equal because these are corresponding angles, right? So what to do? अब हमने क्या किया, ऐड कर दिया 1 plus 2 x plus y. तो 1 plus 2 equals to x plus y. And what is x plus y? X plus y is complete ACD. So that's why exterior angle is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. This is the proving. Okay. Example 1, in triangle ABC, BC is produced to D. If angle ACD is 110 degree and ABC is 70 degree, find angle BAC. हमें क्या find करना है, BAC. अब आपको पता है एंगल C जो है, एंगल ACD जो है वो एक्सटीरियर एंगल है, तो हम क्या लगा देंगे, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी मीन्स 70 plus x equals to 110 degree. Okay, 110 equals to 70 plus x. अब आप शिफ्ट कर देंगे 70 को अदर साइड, so x equals to 110 minus 70, answer is 40 degree, right? Now example 2, the angles of a triangle are in the ratio 1:2:3. Find the angles. जब भी हमें कुछ रेशो में गिवन होगा उसे हमें एज्यूम करना है इन टर्म्स ऑफ वेरिएबल. सो लेट एंगल A is 1x means x, angle B is 2x and angle C is 3x. Same variable. Okay, keep in mind, same variable you have to take. Now you know the sum of the angles equal to 180 degree. Now हम पुट कर देंगे A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Now we know A is x plus 2x plus 3x. So x plus 2x plus 3x equals to 180 degree. Now add these, you are getting 6x equal to 180 degree. Now how we can find x? 6 will come down, A 180 upon 6, that is 30 degree. So what is x? X is 30 degree. So A is 30, B is 60 and C is 3 into 30 means 90 degree, right? Now example 3, find the value of x and y in the following figures. So you know A part here, y is outside exterior angle, x 40 and 50 they are interior angles of a triangle. तो आप क्या करोगे, x plus 40 plus 50 equals to 180 degree. So what is x? x plus 90 equals to 180 degree. So how you can find x equals to 180 minus 90. तो x कितना हो जाएगा आपका 90 डिग्री. Now how to find y? There are two ways. या तो आप y plus x 180 ले लो linear pair, or you can say y is equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So y is also 90 degree, right? Similarly, now second part, how we can find x and y. अब आप देखो y और 90 में what is the relation? You can see y and 90, they are forming vertically opposite angles. So y equals to 90 degree because vertically opposite angles are equal. Ab x, x, y. So these are three angles of triangle. So what will you take? X plus y equals to 180 degree. So we know 2x plus 90 equals to, यहाँ पे मैंने y की वैल्यू को सब्स्टिट्यूट किया है. So 2x, because x plus x है, it becomes 2x plus 90 equals to 180. So now shift 90 on the other side. What will you get? 2x equals to 180 minus 90. So 2x equals to 90. So what is x? X is 90 by 2, that is 45 degree, right? So अगर आपको concepts clear है, then you can solve the question. There is no problem. Now the next example 4, if one of the angle of a triangle is 65 degree and the other two angles are in the ratio of 2:3. अब एक एंगल गिवन है और बाकी एंगल्स की रेशियो गिवन है. सो लेट एंगल A 65, एंगल B 2x एंड एंगल C 3x. सो व्हाट टू डू? इन तीनों का सम 180. आप A plus B plus C equals to 180 लगा देंगे. सो A 65 plus 2x plus 3x equals to 180. सो 5x दोनों को ऐड किया, 5x equals to 180 minus 65. Means 5x equals to 115. So what is x? 115 divided by 5, that is 23 degree. Okay. So what is the value of b? b क्या आ जाएगा? 2 into 23, 46, and c is 3 into 23, 69. Now the example 5. Find x in the following figure. Like a, x is the exterior angle and 60 and 50 are interior opposite. So directly we can apply exterior angle property. So x equal to 60 plus 50, x equals to 110. ऐसे ही figure B part, here you can see x is exterior, these are interior opposite. So x equals to 50 plus 40, that is 90 degree. Same figure C, x is exterior, these two are interior opposite. So x equals to 50 plus 50, that is 100. Now D part, x is again an exterior angle, 60 and 60 are interior opposite angle. So x equals to 60 plus 60, that is 120 degree. Okay, I hope it's clear to you. It's very easy. Now exercise 6.2. Question number 1. Can the following be measure of three angles of a triangle? आपको three angles given है, आपने चेक करना है क्या एक triangle के ये angle possible हैं. अगर sum 180 degree है, then these are possible, otherwise not. Like you can see D part here, 130 plus 40 plus 50, तो आपके पास क्या आएगा? 130 plus 90, this is 220. So these are not the angles of a triangle. So like this you can check. Similarly, second question, A part 50 है, this is 90, this is x. Can you find x by angle sum property? X plus 50 plus 90 equals to 180. Similarly, you can try remaining questions. Now we are talking about triangle inequality property. Consider a triangle ABC. Suppose you are standing at A and you have to go to C. आप A पे खड़े हैं, आपको C पे जाना है. आप डायरेक्ट AC जा सकते हैं. और how you can go? You can go to first B and then फिर B से C पे जाएंगे. So definitely from A to C because it is shorter. A से C पे जाना ज़्यादा easy है because this is the shorter distance. हम A से B पे जाएं फिर B से C में जाएं, it will take more time, it is a longer distance. So हमने क्या observe किया? We are observing that कि sum of AB and BC, AB plus BC is greater than AC. Sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. हम जब भी किसी two sides को triangle की add करेंगे तो वो हमेशा थर्ड साइड से बिगर होगा. ओके, सो सिमिलरली वी कैन से दैट BC plus CA is bigger than AB and AB plus CA is greater than BC. So we can say that sum of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now example 1, check whether the following dimensions will represent the sides of a triangle. अब आपको dimensions of साइड्स गिवन है, आपने चेक करना है कि एक ट्रायंगल पॉसिबल है या नहीं है. लाइक ए पार्ट 5, 7 and 9 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट वी आर डूइंग, हम सारे पॉसिबल केसेस चेक करेंगे. मीन्स 5 plus 7 लिया 12, 12 इज बिगर देन 9. ओके, 7 plus 9 16, इट इज बिगर देन 5, राइट. एंड 5 plus 9 14, इट इज बिगर देन 7. तो हमने सारे पॉसिबल वेज से चेक कर लिया. So you can see sum of any two sides is greater than the third side. It means they are representing a triangle. The B part 8, 10 and 18. Now 8 plus 10, 18. And third side is also 18. So sum of two sides is not greater than the third side. It is equal to the third side. So it means this is not possible. The triangle with these dimensions are not possible. Okay, since sum of two sides is equal to the third side, hence these sides cannot be the sides of a triangle. Okay, now C part 4, 5 and 6 centimeter. So 4 plus 5 9, 9 is bigger than 6. Then 5 plus 6 ले लो 11 is bigger than 4. Then 4 plus 6 ले लो 10, 10 is bigger than 5. So sum of any two sides is always greater than the third side. It means it is possible. Okay. Now example 2. The length of two sides of a triangle are 12 and 15. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? हमें two sides given हैं 12 and 15. तो third side की क्या measurement हो सकती है? So we know that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Therefore, the third side should be less than the sum of the two given side. It means जो third side होगी वो इन दोनों के sum से कम होगी. Okay? It means it should be less than 27 centimeter. Also the side cannot be less than the difference of two sides. और उन दोनों के डिफरेंस से भी कम नहीं होना चाहिए. 15 minus 12 is 3, यानी 3 से भी कम नहीं होना चाहिए. ओके, सो इट मीन्स इट इज लाइंग बिटवीन 3 and 27, राइट. सो वंस अगेन यू कैन सी फर्स्ट 12 plus 15 27. तो 27 से तो कम होगा उसका मेजरमेंट. और the side cannot be less than the difference of two sides. So the third side should be more than their difference. उनके difference से ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. And difference is 3 centimeter. So it is lying between 3 and 27 centimeter. So now example 3. AM is the median of a triangle ABC. Is AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AM? Consider the sides of triangle ABM and triangle AMC. It's a very good question. आपको एक triangle ABC given है जिसमें AM is the median. तो हमें ये शो करना है कि is it greater than 2AM or not. So what will you do? हमने पहले लिया triangle ABM. So AB plus BM is greater than AM because AM this side है. So I am taking first equation, AB plus BM is bigger than AM, right? Now second triangle AMC. AMC में what we are taking? AC and MC is greater than AM, right? Now this is the first one, this is the second one. So what we are doing now? We are adding first and second equation. अब add कैसे करते हैं? Left side plus left side, right side plus right side. So इन दोनों को हम add कर देंगे. AB plus BM plus AC plus MC is greater than AM plus AM. So it becomes 2AM. और this side आपके पास क्या आ जाएगा? BM plus MC, it becomes BC. So AB plus AC plus BC is bigger than 2AM. So the result is true. Okay. Now exercise 6.3, based on such type of question, you can try these one. Now we are talking about right angle triangle and Pythagoras property. Very interesting, very important. So Pythagoras was a Greek philosopher and mathematician. He was born in 6th century BC. Relating the three sides of a right angle triangle, he gave a very important theorem. This theorem is named after him in his honor. In fact, this property was known to people of many other countries also. तो उसके बेस पे ही we have one property, that is the Pythagoras property. So let's start. Special names of the sides of a right angle triangle. Pythagoras property की अगर हम बात करेंगे तो हमें right angle triangle consider करनी पड़ेगी. Means one angle is 90 degree. Okay, like this. Okay, so the side opposite to the right angle is called the hypotenuse. जो 90 के opposite side है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? This is the hypotenuse and this is the longest side of the triangle. सबसे बड़ी side होती है, यानी ये AB और BC से बड़ी होगी. Okay, so the other two sides are known as the legs, और इनको हम base and perpendicular. One is base and one is altitude और perpendicular. तो three sides हैं. One is hypotenuse जो opposite to 90 degree है, that is the hypotenuse, और बाकी को हम legs भी बोल सकते हैं, और one is base and one is altitude. Okay, so here in the triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So AC is the hypotenuse and AB and BC are the legs. Now theorem. The area of the square on the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the areas of the square on the other two sides. अगर हम hypotenuse पे एक square ले लें और बाकी two legs पे भी square ले लें, दो square, तो क्या होगा? जो इस square का area है, that would be equal to sum of these area. It means you can say, suppose हमने एक square ले लिया है hypotenuse पे जिसकी side क्या है A, ऐसे ही हमने leg पे एक square लिया है जिसकी side है C, और यहाँ पे हमने एक square लिया है जिसकी side है B. So its area is A square, its area is C square, its area is B square. So it becomes A square equals to B square plus C square. Okay, so now what about the converse? If there is a triangle whose sum of the squares of two sides is equal to square of the third side, then the triangle will be a right angle triangle. Try to understand this. अगर right angle triangle है तो उसमें क्या होगा? Suppose this is A, this is B, this is C. तो A square यानी hypotenuse square equals to B square plus C square, means hypotenuse square equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. और हमें suppose question में given है, we don't know whether a triangle is a right triangle or not. हमें सिर्फ एक result given है कि एक side का square जो है वो बाकी two sides के square के sum के equal है. It means that would be a right angle triangle. This is the converse of Pythagoras. Okay, so like this here, one triangle is given 5, 4 and 3 sides. तो हमने चेक किया 5 square is 25, 3 square is 9 and 4 square is 16. So how we can write it? We can write 5 square equals to 3 square plus 4 square. तो ये हमारी triangle क्या बन जाएगी? Right angle triangle. So here we conclude that if the Pythagoras property holds, the triangle must be a right angle triangle. Hence converse of Pythagoras property is true. Okay. So example 1, find the unknown length x in the following, like A part here 15, 8 and x. So you can see this is a right angle triangle. So what we can apply over here? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. So according to Pythagoras theorem, x square equals to 8 square plus 15 square. So 8 square is 64 and 15 square is 225, means it is 289, and x square equals to 289. So x square equals to 17 into 17. 289 किसका स्क्वायर होता है? 17 का. So x square equals to 17 into 17. So what is x? X is 17 centimeter. Now similarly you can see second example here, B part, it is 24 given, it is 7 given and x is missing. So it is again a right angle triangle. तो हम इसमें क्या लगा देंगे? Pythagoras. So x square equals to 7 square plus 24 square. So how you can simplify this? Like this, x square equals to 7 square plus 24 square means 576 plus 49, और ये हमारा क्या बन जाएगा? 625, और 625 किसका स्क्वायर होता है? 25 का. So what is x? X is 25, right? Now similarly, now C part, we have to do C part here. You can see C, ABC is not a right angle triangle. हम इसमें two triangle use कर सकते हैं. One is ABD and ADC because these two triangles are right angle triangle. तो आप इसे assume कर सकते हैं, let it be A और it is B. तो अगर आप triangle ABD use करेंगे, so what will you get? ABD is a right angle triangle. तो इससे क्या आ जाएगा? 37 square equals to 12 square plus A square. तो यहाँ से हम A की वैल्यू फाइंड कर लेंगे. सिमिलरली इन दिस ट्राइंगल ADC में क्या हम यूज कर सकते हैं? 37 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू 12 स्क्वायर प्लस, इसको हम B एज्यूम कर लें, B स्क्वायर. सो नाउ वी आर सॉल्विंग इट. सो व्हाट वी आर गेटिंग, लाइक द फर्स्ट वन, उसमें क्या आएगा हमारे पास? 35 स्क्वायर इक्वल्स टू A स्क्वायर. आई एज्यूम दिस वन एज A. सो व्हाट इज A ओवर हियर? A is 35 सेंटीमीटर. सिमिलरली आप सेकेंड ट्राइंगल में जब फाइंड करेंगे, दैट इज ऑल्सो 35. तो आपके पास टोटल कितना आ जाएगा? 35 प्लस 35 मीन्स 70 सेंटीमीटर. सो व्हाट इज x? x is 70 centimeter. Now example 2, a ladder is placed in such a way that it reaches a window 12 meter high from the ground on placing it against a wall at a distance x meter. If the length of the ladder is 15 meter, find the distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall. Wall के अगेंस्ट हमने एक ladder रखी है x meter distance away and length of ladder is 15 and it is 12. So it is becoming a right angle triangle. So we can apply Pythagoras theorem again here. So what we can write? 15 square equals to 12 square plus x square. So 225, it will go to other side, minus 144. So x square equals to 81 means x equals to 9. So distance of the foot of the ladder from the wall is 9 meter. Now example 3, a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. Find the original height of the tree. So let AB is the height of the tree before it broke. Now let C be the point from where it broke and the broken tree touches the ground at point A dash. तो आप देख सकते हैं suppose this is the whole tree. ये break होने के बाद touch the ground. Okay. So it is 12 meter from the base. It is 12 meter and this is 5 meter. So first we can find A dash C from this figure by using Pythagoras theorem. So what will you get? आप उसको x मान लो. So x square equals to 5 square plus 12 square. So x square equals to 25 plus 144 means 169. So what is x? X is 13. Okay. So means broken part is 13. अब हमें total height कितनी है? 13 plus 5 that is 18 meter. Right. So this is very important question. If you want to see once again, you can see a tree is broken at a height of 5 meter from the ground and its top touches the ground at a distance of 12 meter from the base of the tree. जो ट्री है वो ब्रेक हुआ 5 मीटर हाइट से और टच किया ग्राउंड को और कितने डिस्टेंस पे 12 मीटर फ्रॉम द बेस. ओके. सो दिस इज 12, दिस इज 5. हमें ये ब्रोकन पार्ट फाइंड करना है. It is becoming a right angle triangle. We can use Pythagoras theorem. So let it be x. उसको हम x assume कर लेंगे. So x square equals to 5 square plus 12 square means x square equals to 169. So x is 13 meter. जब भी आपके पास x square equals to 169 है यानी आपने x फाइंड करना है तो आप क्या फाइंड करेंगे? रूट, स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 169 और ये कितना बन जाएगा आपका? 13. सो दैट्स व्हाई टोटल हाइट इज 13 plus 5 means 18 meter. So similarly you can try exercise 6.4 based on such type of question. Now we have summary. A triangle is a closed figure with 3 sides and 3 vertices. And the next point, the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. And the next point, an exterior angle of a triangle is greater than each of its interior opposite angle. And the next is the sum of any two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And the next point, an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to the sum of its interior opposite angle. And the last point, Pythagoras theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse in a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the square of the length of the other two sides. Now we have MCQs. Question number 1, if two angles of a triangle 30 and 70, find the third angle. You can do it. The second one, if exterior angle of an isosceles triangle is 110 degree and its interior opposite angles are equal, then find the angle. So x plus x equals to 110. So 2x equal to 110 means 55. Third one, in triangle PQR, M is the midpoint of PR. The median is, what is the median? QM. Okay. The fourth one, angle A 30, angle B 70, and the exterior angle formed by producing BC is equal to their sum, that is 100 degree. The fifth one, if one angle of a right triangle is 60, means one angle is 90, one is 60. So what is the other angle? 90 plus 60, 150. So 180 minus 150, you can find 30. So two angles 30 and 90. Okay. So like this, there is one mind booster you can try on your own. So thank you for watching this video. Stay connected with us till the next video. Have a nice day. Take care.